15 countries, one Caribbean family. Ever wondered how it all started? Buckle up. Here's your CARICOM crash course in just 3 minutes. Our story begins in 1958 with the West Indian Federation, Britain's first try at Caribbean unity. But by 1962, it fell apart due to colonial tensions and island rivalries. Then came CRIFTA in 1968, countries trading freely, removing taxes and barriers. Finally, unity was gaining speed. On July 4, 1973, 4 visionary leaders, Errol Barrow from Barbados, Forbes Burnham from Guyana, Michael Manley from Jamaica, and Dr. Eric Williams from Trinidad and Tobago, signed the Treaty of Chaguaramas. This treaty transformed CRIFTA into the Caribbean Community, CARICOM. Now, the islands cooperated on trade, education, health, diplomacy, and development, working together as one. Today, CARICOM has 15 full members. Guyana, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, and Jamaica led the way, with Haiti joining last in 2002. Montserrat, still a British overseas territory, remains a valued member. There are also 5 associate members: Anguilla, Bermuda, British Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Turks and Caicos, and 7 observer nations, including Mexico and Colombia, along with 7 observers: Aruba, Colombia, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Netherlands Antilles, Puerto Rico, and Venezuela. In 2001, CARICOM evolved further into the Caribbean Single Market and Economy, or CSME. This major step allowed goods, services, capital, and most importantly people to move freely across member states. Imagine a teacher from Antigua working freely in Belize, or a Guyanese entrepreneur opening a cafe in Jamaica, all made possible by a single CARICOM passport. And if disputes arise, the Caribbean Court of Justice in Trinidad resolves them quickly and fairly. CARICOM's heart is its secretariat in Georgetown, Guyana, led by the Secretary General. 4 main councils handle trade, finance, foreign relations, and social issues, supported by institutions like the Caribbean Development Bank and University of the West Indies. CARICOM honors its heroes with the prestigious Order of the Caribbean Community, awarded to legends like poet Derek Walcott and diplomat Sir Sridath Ramphal. From political struggles to powerful partnerships, small islands, big dreams. Together, we're stronger. One region, one love. CARICOM.